Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is obviously something that you know. So this is a series that I'm gonna be starting. Say hi to my Hello Kitty, or maybe say hello to my Hello Kitty. Yeah, but whatever. This is gonna be the start of my series, which is Pinterest inspired makeups. I tried to do this series on my Instagram, but right now, for a while, I won't be using my Instagram. So I was thinking, I don't want to stop on makeup because I cannot stop on makeup. So why not do makeup and post it here on YouTube, because YouTube shorts are there, and I haven't posted any makeup videos since that Christmas makeup, and I haven't done any makeup on my channel except the Diwali ones, which don't even matter. But I was gonna do the same exact video in February, like legit. And one thing which I noticed just now, I had the same hairstyle, legit the same hairstyle. I was wearing this same like crew neck, and the only difference was I was shooting outside, and I was shooting the intro outside, and I did the Mumu print makeup that day. But I wanted to start with a few makeups that I had in my had saved in the Pinterest. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's start with it. There are few there are quite more number of makeups that I want to do. So it's gonna be series like this thing inspired makeup, this thing inspired makeup, this inspired makeup. I'm gonna start with wings inspired makeup.
Those who have watched my Instagram, those who have seen my Instagram, they probably know that most of my makeups are on two sides. First is the baddie e-girl goth makeup that I do, I try to do. The second is fairy, core, cottagecore, flower related. I try to go cute with all those. So I'm gonna do the ones that I haven't even tried but I want to do. But first I'm gonna just bring an end to the butterfly, angel, fairy, flowers, something like that. All those cottage, fairy core, goblin core aesthetic ones. I'm gonna put an end to it by trying all the makeup looks that I've wanted to try since so long. This would be the last time I would be doing this. Actually, maybe not, but after that I'll be trying different aesthetics for my makeups. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I did my base, which is probably too much for you right now, but it will be settled. I put up too much of foundation, which I realized later, but I guess I'll fix it with the makeup. So for this particular makeup, I wanted to use the green pearl beads, but I thought that I have done two looks and two butterfly looks in which I have used only green color, like green sea green types, sage green types of color, and I want to go with green. I had these purple lavender colored, the ones which I used in my Diwali makeup look, which was this one, and I want to do with some different color because the last one was green and the previous one, butterfly one, was the one where I had these butterfly clips, and I tried to do some, I don't know what you call it, I tried to add some twist with the cute vibe. It was not in the cute vibe, but it was pink, so it was cute. I don't know what I'm saying, but I hope you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I'll be doing this with this one to get a little change of colors and style. So let's go. I'm kind of scared to do it. Okay, I don't even know where to put my camera.
I swear to God, you cannot be more clumsier than me. I always do this, and this is this colored bed sheet. So, F me. This is what it looks like right now. I don't know if it looks good, but I think it's a very great progress, and I think it will look good in the end. And I just hope so. But I don't have bigger beads than this. I think that would have been better if I had more. I'm just using tweezers to break them and put them in my hand, and I'm trying my best not to, stick them with my skin. I don't want them to be in contact with my skin before they are in contact with my face, because then they lose their stickiness. Like here, I keep pushing it again and again so that it doesn't fall off. So yes, that is the progress that we have made, and it's pretty great. Okay, it's not great. Every time I'm on the camera, this always happens. So yeah, you just keep seeing the progress. It's almost done and I'll give you the finished look. This is the final makeup look and I'm proud of it. It's like so cute. Just a second. It's so cute and so pretty. I love the color and I love the shine it gives. I love this heart thing and I love this tail of the butterfly, and I love this that it goes from here. It was kind of very time consuming. It took me loads and loads of wasting my beads to get this perfection, because I'll put them on and then they'll have that foundation on them and they will be removed, but this is it. I hope you like it. My base is already ready for the second makeup look, and the second makeup look is this one, as you can see, and I'm gonna do it. Base for the eyeshadow. If Euphoria characters were inspired by butterfly makeup or fairy makeup, I mean, Euphoria is a total baddie plus Euphoria aesthetic, but what if they went with the fairy core aesthetic? Oh my god, it looks so good. You guys, you have to be in person to see how much shine it has. Oh my god, I'm so... Okay. Hey guys, so I wanted to know the idea behind this makeup. So obviously the makeup is inspired by Pinterest, but I was drawing a butterfly once. I was practicing my drawings and I was drawing different kind of sketches. So I was practicing my butterfly and I made this. I was trying a one-line butterfly. I was trying one-line art. So I made this one-line butterfly and I was anxious at the time, so I just scribbled without pausing in between, and then I made a butterfly which was so pretty. So I called it an anxious butterfly. So this makeup is definitely an inspiration from Pinterest, but the idea behind, the story behind this one is particularly, you can see how it's messed up in between. Like these are just random abstract lines here. It's shiny though, and it's like, it's messed up from here. It's very big. It's not in good shape. My brother has definitely got no chills, but yeah, as I was saying, this is not in a good shape, but it's still a butterfly. It still has that shine. You just need to focus more on it, if you're getting what I'm saying. So that's why I call this makeup the anxious butterfly. And yes, it is inspired by my anxiety and everyone's anxiety. So yes, I call this an anxious butterfly, but it's still so pretty, it's still gorgeous, just like you guys. Moving on to the next makeup. Time for makeup number 3, which is, I don't want to put any more of base, but I'll definitely put on just a bit of highlighter, blush. I mean, I'm not putting on any kind of foundation on my face, just a little bit of concealer, that's it. The glowy, shiny look that we are giving out in this particular look. And I also have, oh my god, I found my vitamin C serum. Time, and I don't think I can talk and do it, so I'll be back when I'm done with the base of my eyes. So this is the little makeup update on third makeup look. I guess I'm doing pretty great with the cut that it has. I blended out so great, so I'm using this Revolution palette, which, and the shades that I'm using for this makeup is, oh my god, where's my brush? Yeah. So the shades that I'm using is, first of all, the base with the white, and then I'm using this blue color over the white to get this color, and this light shade in the inside of my eye, then this blue, and then I'm going with this color, which is giving a outline cut here and here, but the end is with the black to give it a darker shade, just like this, you can see. So that these are the colors that I'm gonna use, and I'm also gonna go with a little golden color, and I'll see you. This is kind of a depressed butterfly look, and okay, take it like I showed you stages. Okay, I cried doing this makeup. I don't know if you can see this, but I didn't fix it. I cried. The blue color did drop, which I was like, shit bro, it's perfect. Because like there was this blue color here, and the eyeliner was a little bit here. I put it up here, and then it just became a drop of, I don't know, tear. And so take it like different stages represented as butterflies. The first one was the pretty one, the best one. When you put out your best show, when you put out your best self out there. And then the second one was anxious one, depressed one, when you just don't feel yourself anymore, but you're still gorgeous. You're still gorgeous now when you're sad or depressed, but you just need to spread your wings. But it's still so pretty, it's so euphoric. I used a little copper here and golden here, blue eyeshadow, like blue glitter, and I love this look. Well, that's not it, though this is the part 1. You'll get part 2 soon, but yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you next time.